Hey everybody, it's Paula here and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to continue with our series of Do Your Own Research, a series of videos where I show you tools that you can use to do your own research in the Web3, cryptocurrency and digital asset space. Today, what we're going to look at is Coingecko. I'm going to look at Coingecko from the perspective of tokenomics. So what is tokenomics? Well, tokenomics is how the tokens on a platform or a protocol are distributed. So let's take Bitcoin, for example. Bitcoin new tokens are emitted on mining. And every 4 years, there's a halving, which means there's less rewards available on mining the Bitcoin token. And that is the emissions. And we're going to have a look at that chart in a couple of minutes. But with some other projects, we have token distribution that happens before the platform even goes live. And there might be an ICO, there might be tokens given to a team, there might be tokens given to investors, there might be tokens put aside for the community. So how these tokens are split and how these tokens are spread also makes up part of the tokenomics of a project. Now, it's really important to understand the tokenomics of a project because, for example, let's say that a project gave 90% of all of their tokens to one particular investor. Well, that investor is going to want to get their funds back. So they're going to dump on the market as soon as they see a profitable return for them. And having such a large supply of tokens, a dump like that is only going to totally wreck the price. So it's very important that you understand tokenomics and the fundamentals of tokenomics. But what we're going to do in this video is look at the different metrics that are available on Coingecko so you can do your own research. And of course, these metrics are available free of charge. I do have a logged in account, so I have signed up with Coingecko and you can sign up too, but I do not have a premium or paid account. Okay, so you will find a link directly to Coingecko below this video. And I am on their coins page. So I'm just on their main page. And we're going to start with Bitcoin. So when we go into the Bitcoin token, we can see some tokenomics information. We can see the current price. We can see the 24-hour range. So this is more trading information and the range that the token has traded between in the last 24 hours. Down here is more the tokenomics information that you want to see. So first of all, we have the market cap. So what is the market cap? Well, the market cap, and if we click on this little question mark, it does give details of what each of these mean. So market cap is current price multiplied by circulating supply. So we see we have the circulating supply here and we have the current price. So if you multiply this by this, you're going to get the market cap. The circulating supply is how many tokens are actually circulating at the moment. Now we know with Bitcoin that emissions go up with block rewards and that we haven't emitted all blocks. So we can see that there is a maximum supply. So this is the maximal amount of coins that can be created on the chain. Less any burned tokens if it's a project that has burned tokens. And then we also have the maximum supply. So this is the theoretical maximum supply as per coded. Now, some tokens don't actually have a maximum supply because they will continue printing, but then they may also have a burn mechanism, making them an elastic type token. Over here, we have the 24-hour trading volume, so how much is being traded, and the fully diluted valuation. So the FDV is the current price multiplied by the maximum supply. Now, there is one more figure in here as well, and that is the market cap by the the fully diluted valuation. And the closer to one this is means that we're really close to the fully diluted price. So the fully diluted price is the price when all of the tokens have actually been issued. So we scroll down here and we also have now a Tokenomics tab. Now there's not Tokenomics tab isn't available yet for all tokens and coins on Coingecko, but for the ones that there is, it's really, really useful. So here we can see some details about the tokenomics, that there's no allocation of Bitcoin as newly minted is awarded to whoever mines the actual blocks. There's no actual allocation of tokens for Bitcoin. And we can see the emission schedule here where we've got the Bitcoin supply and we are in and around, I don't know, what year, 2022, in and around here at the moment. And this is, we can see the supply curve tapering off, as we can see the long tail curve for the block rewards also tapers off. So you can have a little bit of read on the information on the tokenomics there. So I'm going to go back now to all of the cryptocurrencies and we're going to select a different cryptocurrency to have a look at the tokenomics of. So let's select Cardano. And we can see here in Cardano the current price. So we know the current price multiplied by the circulating supply is going to give us the market cap. We can also see that we're not as close to fully distributed in the tokens, in the token emissions as we were with Bitcoin, as this is not as close to 1. But it's still above 50%, which isn't too bad at all. We can see the total supply and we can also see the maximum supply. So we're about 78% of the tokens actually issued at the moment. Let's have a look in the tokenomics now. And we can scroll down and we can see the allocation of tokens, of the Cardano tokens in the ecosystem. So we have staking rewards. We have 11% going to the team and we have 57% that went to an ICO. If we scroll down further, we see that it gives us a little bit of context for the details that are in the chart, and you can read the context here. We can also see the supply schedule. So this is staking rewards, less burn fees. So we can see as we go up, so we are currently around here in terms of the distribution of everything. So the token sale has happened, the team's coins have been issued, and now the last bit of emissions is going to be happening with the staking rewards. So we can see this broken down here in further detail, the funding rounds for Cardano. So we can see 0.26 million was raised and the price that it was raised at there. So these are the ICO prices. So when you're looking at this 57%, 57% were sold at these initial prices. Now the current price for Cardano is 32 cents. So there's already been a nice gain. And personally, I would think that many of the initial holders actually have sold out. The ICO holders have actually sold out, as it was 2015. It was 7 years ago now. And they would have seen such substantial gains that they've probably sold out. So the chances of there being a 57% dump is, I don't think, is anywhere possible. And that's based on the information that is put in front of us here from the tokenomics in Coingecko. So let's have a quick look at one more. Let's have a look at Tron. Tron has a market cap which is equal to its price multiplied by its circulating supply. Now we see here we have a maximum supply and we have the infinite symbol. And I mentioned this earlier on in the video. Some tokens have an elastic supply because they'll burn some and they'll continuously mint some and just mint some and mint some forever into eternity, and Tron is one of these, and that should really be considered when you're looking at the tokenomics, because there is no scarcity in a token that's going to be printing so much tokens all the time. Therefore, we have a misguided value of the actual market cap versus the DV, and it's showing up as 1, which in this case I believe to be very misguiding. Let's scroll down and have a look at the tokenomics. Unfortunately, the tokenomics for this is not available. So as I had mentioned, the tokenomics isn't available for all of the coins or tokens that you might want to look at, but you can still get some valuable information from that top tier bit of data in terms of circulating supply, market cap, fully diluted market caps and stuff like that as well. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, another free tool that you can use to do your own research. If you did like this video, I hope that you'll consider sharing it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye now.